Books and other information sources. There are 3 books that I recommend you consider. None of them are compulsory. There is no compulsory text. You do not have to buy a book. There are 3 recommended texts, and they are Software Architecture in Practice. Now that is available in electronic form through the UTS library, so you don't even have to buy it. You can just get at it through the library. That seems to be the most widely accepted textbook in the industry, and it's a good book. The Software Architecture Primer, that was written by John Reiki, who actually established the subject. He was working at UTS at the time, and it's a good book, good fundamental book. It doesn't cost much, but again, not much can be excessive to some. The other one that I've encountered and find pretty reasonable is Ian Gorton's book, Essential Software Architecture. Now each of them go through much the same considerations and go through much the same process of developing an architecture and arrive at much the same answer. So any textbook will do. Internet sources. There are a lot of them. Now the information that's available on the internet is just quite amazing. Now I've got some sources there. Microsoft's Architecture Journal. If you want to know about topical matters in architecture and quite serious concerns, then Microsoft's Architecture Journal is pretty good. IBM probably has one as well, but for them I picked out their architecture patterns, and that's freely available on the web. You can go and look at that and get your ideas from there. Microsoft also has patterns and practices. I think J2EE also has a site for architecture patterns, and interestingly enough, they don't agree with each other. One site that I find really good is the InfoQ site. It tends to have presentations that have been made by leading industry practitioners in a wide range of subjects, but I picked architecture and design. These presentations are made at their InfoQ conference, or QCon conference, and usually are about 40 or 50 minutes long. They film the presentations and the questions and everything afterwards. So you get to see the filmed presentation accompanied by the slides that were used in the presentation. So this is an excellent source. They also have articles, just print articles and interviews. So in terms of current expertise, current theories on architecture, that's a really good source. But all you need to do is Google software architecture and you'll find plenty of information.